Do I look stupid to you? May pinangungunahan. Ba't hindi muna sila mag-aral? Ano bang nakasaad sa konstitusyon? We are not grabbing the powers of Congress to impeach an impeachable officer. No. Neither are we trying to supplant the findings of the House of Representatives with respect to the impeachment complaint of the Vice President. No, we're not going to do that. We're only doing our powers pursuant to the Constitution to investigate. Period.
So, sir, bumalik bago kayo kumilos.
Alam mo yung pinangungunahan kami. Do I look stupid to you? Did I in the past do something that is against the law? Tell me.
This is what
Ba't kami pinangungunahan? Ba't hindi muna sila mag-aral? Ano bang nakasaad sa konstitusyon? So makikita na pag-aaralan na yung konstitusyon, yung deliberations during the Constitutional Commission in 1987, they would know